Welcome to this quick overview of MyJobOutreach, a powerful productivity tool designed to automate and streamline the job search outreach process by at least 20 times compared to performing these activities manually. With this tool, I can automate job and company outreach using AI-powered scripts, extract job postings and contacts in just seconds. I can generate personalized cover letters and outreach emails instantly. I can manage my follow-ups effortlessly. I can enhance my productivity with built-in scheduling, company insights, and recruiter email automation. We're going to show some of these features. By eliminating the manual tasks and leveraging automation, this tool helps me to focus on what really matters, which is building connections, preparing for interviews, and landing the right job much faster. Right now, I am on the dashboard, which is where I track and manage my overall job outreach. Here I can see all active companies, whether they are for a job application outreach or for target company outreach. I can filter the companies and their contacts based on attributes like the company name, the contact person, the work email, making it very easy to find any relevant connections. By double-clicking a company, I can access its details and perform the various outreach activities. The dashboard also provides some key insights, including the number of people that I have in each one of the companies, the date of my first interaction, and the most recent follow-up with this company. To visually track my progress, the companies where I have interviewed are marked as green, and the companies requiring follow-ups are highlighted in amber for easy identification. Additionally, this dashboard features some charts. The display, the number of jobs applied in the last 30 days, so I can quickly see my performance and my consistency, as well as the outreach activities performed in the same time frame. Finally, I have here a comprehensive statistics table that provides me a full overview of my job search journey, helping me to stay organized and strategic in my approach. To use the application effectively, the first step is to set up my profile. This is done in the Profile tab, where I define the key attributes that will be used throughout the application. These attributes will help in personalizing outreach scripts for better engagement. Matching my resume, for example, with commonalities in the companies or in the people that I am outreaching to, will also allow me to create tailored cover letters based on my experience and skills. The description column provides detailed information on how each attribute is utilized within the application, ensuring that I make the most of the platform's features. Similar to the Profile tab, the Settings tab contains all key configurations for the application. Each setting includes a description column that explains its purpose and how it affects the system's behavior. This configuration allows me to customize how the program functions in different situations, such as defining how many follow-ups will be used in my outreach sequences. I can have 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, setting various default values that allows me to streamline workflows. And some critical settings include entering the API keys. Here we have the example for the ChatGPT API key, which I use, for example, to generate personalized outreach scripts and cover letters. Anything that requires AI generative models. There's other keys like the Sales QL API key, the org.com API key. So this is the place where I enter all those keys, all those configurations. The core tab for managing my outreach efforts is the Outreach tab. Here I can enter the name of the company I want to reach out to. And if it doesn't exist, a new company will be created instantly. Let's do this. We can type Pfizer, press enter. Pfizer doesn't exist yet. Yes, I want to create a new company. It automatically creates me a new company. Now, once the company is added, I have two options for adding contacts. I can manually enter each contact one by one, or I can use this powerful extract contacts feature, which allows me to simply copy and paste contacts from the sources like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or any other source. Let's see an example. With Pfizer, I'm going to open this company link page. What this is going to do is, in my browser, open, as you could just see here, a new tab with Sales Navigator. Now, the problem with Pfizer is that it's a large company and I have 330,000 results and I don't want to outreach to all of this. But of course, I can filter it based on the regular Sales Navigator filters. For this case, I already have a lead list for Pfizer that I'm going to use. And in this case, again, very simply, I will select copy using Control-C. Now let's extract the contact. So what happens is that this other window opens in my other screen. I paste with the Control-V. I press OK. In just a few seconds, all the contacts are automatically created, eliminating the need for manual data entry or tedious copy-pasting field by field. Now, the next step is to do the data enrichment for the missing information. For example, you see that I don't have the LinkedIn URL here. I don't have work emails. So by right-clicking and saying, for example, enrich data for all empty work email rows, it's going to, in just a few seconds, enrich all my data and bring all my emails and other relevant information. There they are. Headline, LinkedIn URL, other email, working mail, phones, locations have been all populated for all these contacts. With the company and the contacts details in place, the next step is to generate personalized outreach scripts. The application offers two approaches, or by using a fully automated outreach message that will take into account the linking profile of each contact, my own resume and experience to create highly personalized messages, or any other type of customizable template. These are pre-built messages templates that I can modify as needed or add new templates of my own as necessary. All these templates support dynamic variables, allowing to personalize these scripts efficiently. Let's have a look. I'm going to select this target company natural here, and I'm going to generate outreach scripts for all my contacts. This takes just a few seconds, and I have generated all my scripts automatically, all using the right variables, so I don't need to be manually copy-pasting anything on these scripts. So this entire process from having contacts to generating outreach scripts just took me a few minutes, saving literally hours and hours of manual work when you're contacting different companies. All follow-up scripts are also automatically generated. So that will also save me time down the line because I don't need them to be as well copy-pasting one by one of my follow-up scripts. All those are automatically generated. Now, to trigger the outreach process with the scripts ready for each contact, I have here the LinkedIn Connect date. I'm going to select all of those. I'm going to right-click. I'm going to say Perform LinkedIn Connection Request. And what is going to happen here is that automatically the browser is going to open in my other monitor, and it's going to be opening one by one of the LinkedIn profiles of these contacts and make automatically the connection request without me having to do absolutely anything. So when the process is completed, all the dates have been populated. And the next step is going to be to send eventually the email message, if that's what you desire. And for this, the system also helps you by automatically identifying which LinkedIn users have the free email message configured. So based on this, I can say, okay, I just want to send to this, to this, and to this. If I don't want to consume my LinkedIn credits, I'm going to use the option Send LinkedIn Email. And what this is going to do is going to, again, use the automated browser. You automatically send the LinkedIn email messages using the corresponding scripts for each one of the selected contacts. When completed, as usually already, you'll see that the dates are automatically populated. My last step is the email outreach, which again, I'm going to select the cells for the contacts that I want to send emails. And there's no need for any type of manual email entry or copy pasting of any sort. I'll simply select email contacts and click the send email option, and all emails are going to be automatically prepared. Here we can see the email is being prepared. The only action needed is to review the email and click send. This email feature is fully integrated with Microsoft Outlook that must be installed on a local computer. And after the emails have been sent, we can see that the dates have also been populated in the corresponding cells. Following up with contacts is made incredibly simple with this application. Using the dashboard, I can instantly identify which companies require a follow-up, and this trigger is controlled by a configurable setting in the Settings tab. To initiate a follow-up, I will double-click the company. This opens the company details in the Outreach tab, where I can immediately see what do I need to do here. In this case, I can see that it sends some LinkedIn initial requests, an email, the first email sent to everybody, and then I have already one first follow-up. If now I want to do the second follow-up, I'm going to select the cells for all the contacts that I want to send emails to. I'm going to click Send Email. And similarly to what we saw before, it's going to generate me all the emails, and I just need to review them and click the Send button. In this particular case, you can see that the resume and the cover letter personalized to this particular company are automatically attached to my emails because this is a job application. Performing a job application outreach is just as simple as reaching out to target campaigns. The process starts in this Extract Job tab And to illustrate how it works, I'm going to pick the job post that I have selected here before, and I'm going to copy Control-C this URL, and I'm going to paste it here in this text box and use this option, extract the job from the input box. The system automatically scraps the job description, and as you're going to see, the application creates the company, the job listing itself, and the job poster or the hiring team members are also automatically added. The next step here is to generate a tailored cover letter, which we can do with just a simple click, Create Cover Letter. The cover letter will be automatically created and personalized, considering the job description, my profile details, and the company profile. I can review it, check if I want to change anything on it, which usually is not necessary. I close, that's it. It generates both a Word file and a PDF file, which is the one that is then used, for example, in the emails. From this point forward, the process is very similar to the target company outreach. Instead of using the target company scripts, we will use the job application scripts. With this level of automation, submitting a well-crafted job application takes only a few minutes, eliminating the need for manual data entries, repetitive copy and pasting, and script writing, which even if we have templates, it still takes a reasonable amount of time. Behind the outreach and job applications, the application includes a wide range of automation features that are designed to enhance the outreach productivity and streamline the job search process. These features allow me to focus on high-value activities like preparing for interviews rather than manual tasks. Some of the key automation features include company suggestions. The system analyzes my profile and suggests new companies that match my background and career goals. Another feature is the job suggestions, where the application uses a job aggregator aligned with my profile. Another feature, it's the automatic profile analysis for companies, for jobs, and for contacts. Let's see an example. If I click the Analyze Company Profile, the system will automatically generate a Word document containing the relevant insights about this company. The same thing applies to the job details, where I can analyze the job description. It will generate this document where I have what is being looked by the hiring manager, potentially interview questions, a SWOT analysis to allow me to prepare as well for this. Another very nice feature is the availability. It's very common that the recruiter will reach to us and ask, when are you available for the next few days? And for this, what I can do is just simply select the days that I want to propose, right click and click Generate Availability Slots. As you're going to see, this is automatically linked to Calendar and Microsoft Outlook, and it's going to generate me, for the days I selected, a list with my available slots that I can simply copy and paste into the email to reply to the recruiter. The system also contains some very nice email productivity features, and the system is directly connected to Outlook, so I can see my messages in Outlook automatically synchronized here. An example is to reply with ChatGPT, and in just a couple of seconds, I have an email fully prepared with the right tags for me to review and click Send to reply to this particular email. There is plenty of other email-related features. I can reply with templates. I can block time in my calendar to do something related. I can make searches based on the subject and author and things like that, which are also extremely useful. As we saw, this type of tool allows us to maximize our efficiency with automation. With this type of features, I can find more opportunities faster. I can reduce the manual data entry and get rid of administrative and repetitive tasks. I can be better prepared for outreach and interviews. I can streamline my communication with recruiters and hiring managers. This application isn't a job tracker. It's a fully outreach, automated productivity powerhouse. It's designed to help me be much more efficient in my job outreach, increasing my likelihood of finding my next job much faster and much more efficiently. Download the free demo now at myjobOutreach.ai and start seeing results today.